Hey, today I wanted to talk a little bit about paradox. So, what is paradox? Well, it's when you say one thing but mean another, or there's one thing out here that looks like this and there's another one that looks like the opposite. But this is a little bit different, and the way that we're going to look at paradox from a manifestation point of view, I think you'll really get a lot out of this. So let me illustrate this with a story. So I like cars, I like to buy and sell them. I like to mess around with buying them, driving them, experiencing them, getting somebody to clean them up, maybe do a little mechanical, not me, but somebody, and then sell them off and then just, enjoy those, a little bit of variety with cars. And I like red cars, red ones. So a lot of times I'll get a red car, and then like several years ago, I was just getting a bunch of red cars. But here's the thing: my wife does not like red cars. As a matter of fact, she doesn't like red in particular. So especially not red cars. Now, so guess what? We got a lot of red cars. They were all red. So, but why is that? So I'm asking and putting out the vibration, and I'm getting red cars. But what about her? She's saying no to red cars. So here's the cool thing. When I say yes and I put my attention on something, the universe delivers. That's the law of attraction. When she says no, she's putting her attention on that and bringing her what she's putting her attention on, which happens to be red cars. So I'm not going to tell her, not to say no to red cars. I'm going to say, listen, I know you don't like it. Just keep saying no. And, because that way I get, what I want. But no, I'm just kidding around. I told her, that's the reason why, we're getting red cars. But so this works for everything. So when you see an election and you like the candidate a lot, and usually lately it seems like everybody's been very polarized, you know what I mean? Like they're on this side of the equation or they're on that side. There's no middle ground. So when somebody's saying that they really like this particular person for office, and then there's the rest of the population saying that they really don't like that person, guess what? They're going to get elected. There's just no way about it. No way around that. Now, Neville Goddard has this VIP program where he uses paradox, but now there's something else going on with that. He's added the alpha and the beta brain waves, your subconscious / conscious, your male, female vibrational counterpoints to that equation. So he says, okay, imagine yourself climbing a ladder at night when you're in alpha, that state where your brain is, kind of woozy and about to drop off into sleep. So now you're impregnating the subconscious mind with the male command of, I'd like to climb a ladder. So you're imagining climbing this ladder. All right, so you do that. And then that's alpha. And then during the day, you write down on all of these pieces of paper and put it everywhere. And you keep in your mind, I will not climb a ladder. Now, that's in beta. You're wide awake. Your brain waves are in beta. But the same process is going on. It's paradox. So it doesn't matter whether you're saying yes or no. That's what you're going to get. You say, no, I will not climb a ladder. Well, the universe doesn't hear no. You're putting your attention on it. Guess what? You're going to climb a ladder. So, and you can do that with anything and everything. And that's the whole point of this little video, is to say, hey, whatever it is that you think you're lacking, use this story that I just gave you. Put your attention on it, get some help. Hey, one other thing I did leave out: when you've got two people working together on something, whether one's saying yes or no, but you're still focused on the same thing, then you've got two manifestational forces working on your behalf. So there you go. You can use it for relationships. You can use it for health. You can use it for money, career, anything you like. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you tomorrow.